Top of the morning, fellas. What's going on? Robert's always the first one. Robert, you've been up since like what? What? You wake up like at 3 a.m., right? Yeah, before everybody. Jonathan, what's going on, buddy? Jonathan, I still haven't used the freaking Starbucks gift card. I haven't been to Starbucks in like quite some time. I need to know when that expires so I don't flop on that. What's going on, Corey? John, good morning. So something we'll talk about the Adam Aaron piece later. I thought about it, and let's just wait to for him to explain himself. Like I'm just gonna wait to see what he says. I don't. I think it's a big deal. I think legal filings override anything you say. You can say this and that and no and yes, but at the end of the day, when your name is on a legal doc, it's there. It's legit. But maybe it's nothing to worry about. Does this affect the squeeze or the push? No, I don't think so. Unless there's something shady going on we don't know about. It's just a person, right? But we'll see what happens. Morning, Ben. Just frame it. Oh man. Crypto, by the way, is hanging by a cliff. 0.9% increase. Bitcoin 39.9. I'm trying to see 40. There we go. We could just hit 40 on Bitcoin again. What's going on, Daryl? Jolly, jolly. Good morning. We got 6 minutes into the market open. I think game season for another green day. Don't you guys think? I think we should see 20 today. If we do have an extension today, all right, we're gonna be opening up. We're at what 90, 1897. So we're gonna be right around here. If this continues to go parabolic and break past 20, damn, I don't even know where we're going after this. If it breaks 20, I don't know where it can go. There's no history to plot that. There's no technical analysis where you can plot that. Say about Tom Zuzulo. Who is that? Morning, Gilbert. I don't know who Tom Zuzulo. I feel like I should though. Tom Zuzolo. Oh, he's a YouTuber, right? Yeah. Oh, he talks about the squeeze and stuff. He says hedgies are not trying to push AMC to 50. Why? Because maybe they're playing the long side too, and they're gonna short it from there. I feel like the hedgies want AMC to like go to 100, right? Because is that gonna be a juicy short? Absolutely. Like at that point, when the stock is like that high, the puts look appealing, man. Like buying puts on it look appealing. I'm not gonna lie. He is our enemy. Wow, why? He just looking at his channel, he looks like somebody who'd be for a push, right? I don't know. I try to watch a lot of these YouTubers because I feel like they have good information and they're all bring different perspectives. But sometimes I'm like, all right, I'll watch it, and then it's just like at the when I have time, I'm just like I rather do something else. I'm just like, or I'm tired. I rather just read a book and the video. You know how they do it, 30-minute videos. That's why when I was making hardcore content for AMC, digging into all these filings, my videos were never longer than 5 minutes. Everything was quick. I even talk fast just to get it over with, straight to the point. Stop wasting time, you know? Like stop beating around the bush. Stop making the videos with 10 ads in there. It's like, but to each their own. That's just me. That's why I always made content that I would want to see, you know? I don't know anymore. I read the Three House of Cards. That too, that came out. Wasn't there a first part, a second part, and a third part? I don't know what to believe. I need to read that up, but I think it said that the banks are covering longs or covering shorts as longs to cover the short interest, something like that. I need to get into that. Morning, Kevin. What did Adam Aaron do? There was just a filing that came up that actually saved the company on here. Let's see if I have it. That's time I watch this. It's a SPAC that came out from Citadel, but there's an F ton of SPACs out there. You guys know the SPAC mania, the SPAC craze, SPAC bubble. There's a SPAC by the name of should be on my watch this. Let's see. Let me pull it up. And Adam Aaron was on there. He was on the board. with Ken Griffin. So I don't know how to see a positive in that, knowing the sentiment that people have towards the hedge funds. And like I said before, you just gotta watch out. You just watch out. Uh, One of the problems that I've always had, I think, early on was trusting people way too easy, right? And I've seen this in some of my partners, and it's always never led to anything great, just a bunch of lessons. That's why I always try to look for everything, all information, and take everything into consideration. SPAC is a blank. SPACs are also called blank check companies, if I'm not mistaken. It's just where people keep their money in. It's like the Lucid and Churchill. The money's in there until they find an acquisition or a merger or the deal goes through. Let me find the actual definition just to give it to you. SPAC. Actually, we got 46 seconds. There we go. SPAC. Yeah, blank check company that created for the purpose of acquiring or merging with an existing company. Yeah, so it's a publicly traded company, just like CCIV and Lucid. People were able to get in before. It was all a rumor until when? Until the acquiring or merger came through, in which you guys know the story with CCIV. It went at 69 and it came all the way back down. What are like 60, 70 bucks? 64. So it's just a little weird, I think. But like I said, I've been giving him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it's no big deal. Let's see what he says. Maybe with the Trey interview, he comes out and says, "No, this is no big deal. This is this and that." Yes, Cardinal put it in the most simplest terms. SPAC is a blank check company that exists to inject money into an existing company. Ooh, GameStop. So one thing I've noticed is GameStop and AMC are now trading together. AMC gets downgraded. This is old news. Why is it still here? This is old news. AMC gets downgraded on valuation only. This was yesterday's news. This is kind of weird that they keep bringing it up. It's like, no. Let's get a freaking pump. Let's go! I didn't hear the opening bell. It's because I didn't have the PC audio on. Yeah, there's a ton of SPACs. A ton of them. Kyle, IPOE is going through a SPAC merger with SoFi. Yes, I heard about that one too. OPOE. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube with the thumbnails. A lot of these videos keep getting recommended because when you watch certain type of content on YouTube, as you guys know, the algorithm is gonna feed you that content. So my YouTube feed is full of like stocks and galaxies and stars. It's a whole variety. Let's see Tesla. Is Tesla dumping for us? It's still dangling 620s. I think the jobless claims came in pretty good today at a pandemic low. Let me take a look. Interesting. GameStop's not following AMC. Or it is probably is just a little low on the volume. There we go. What's going on, William? You're the Doge. What's Doge at? Let's see. Let's pull up Bitcoin. All right, the goal here is 20 bucks, guys. We didn't see that print yesterday. 1999. What a tease. Sundial's up again finally. Yeah, I think it's because of the GameStop AMC craze. 94 cents. I think without this rally here on these stocks, this stock probably wouldn't have popped as quick as it did right now. Sundial. I've always had my mixed feelings about Sundial. Tested at 69. Robert's last name's gonna change to Johnson. Robert Johnson. Because there's an analyst out there by the name of Gordon Johnson. I know it's a meme, but this guy actually legitimately has a $67 price target on Tesla, and he had some airtime on CNBC earlier this week to come on and show about Tesla. That's not call him a show because he brings up some pretty interesting points. The main concern is regulatory credits that soon will come down for Tesla because people and these car manufacturers are advancing. They're going to be selling more EVs. Look at Ford. They went from 20K reservations to, as of yesterday, I believe 70K reservations. 1450 for Ford. Where is it at? 70K. Let me see it. They're getting some price targets, upgrades. It's not on here. What's yesterday? 26, right? It should be here. Yeah, but they're getting a lot of orders for that. Does anybody actually would love to own the Ford, the F-150, the Lightning one? I'd rather go with the Cybertruck, man. Tesla for life, baby. GameStop 228. Morning, Keith. Tony, good morning. Good morning. If today happens to, we have a whole day ahead of us. If today happens to be a day where I don't think it'll close red, let's go for a green. But if it can hold 19, that'd be amazing. 19. And for GameStop, we're at least, yeah, like I said yesterday, 220. I'm still sticking true to that price. I remember a couple months ago, just 220, 220, 220, 220. Hold that. Supercharged, boys. Zoom in on AMC, please. Let's actually do this. Let's drag it to the right. Is that better? Yeah, there's. I know what you're talking about the OG Lightning one. This is what we were talking about yesterday too. The losses. I don't know. I don't know. They lost more than 8 billion year to date. Yeah, they've lost, but I think they're also making some money. Like I think Citadel wants to squeeze just as much as we all do, right? With GameStop and AMC. Because first of all, number one, they'll make money. Number two, that gives them an opportunity to reshort it at a higher price and make more profits. That's the way I'm thinking. Put yourself in their shoes. Are you going to go to Arby's for lunch? Arby's is too far, man. And I don't want to be at the toilet for an hour. Good morning, Victor. How's my Matic? I've been hearing more about Matic and Polygon lately. It's getting to me, man. I'm fearing the Matic. Set it out, no, they don't. Oh, yeah, it might just be crazy, right? Let's see. I forgot to go on Twitter. Let's see what's trending on there. Senate GOP unveils its 928 billion infrastructure counteroffer to Biden. What's in this baby? What's in this bad boy? Let's open this up really quick. All right, let's see. Trending is number one, AMC 500K. AMC's trending. Sony is trending. Wuhan Lab. Nissan. School of Rock. School of Rock, that sounds familiar. There's a reversal. GameStop leading the way. 233. AMC following along with the higher volume. 1888. Let's go for 19 first. Morning, Ron. Let's peep at Tesla really quick. 618, kind of dead there. Let's have that pull back. Give us a buy opportunity. AMC 19. Let's go. Come on, GameStop. Lead the way back to 250. $235. Tesla moves buying plan to overcome semiconductor shortage. Alrighty. What do we got here? Let's see. Let's try to read the patterns. There's some resistance here on 1918, guys. 1918, GameStop leading the way, still moving upwards. AMC follow along. Come on. 36. So this is the plan, guys, that was countered. 506 billion for roads, bridges, major infrastructure projects, including 4 billion for EVs. 98 billion public transit, water systems, airports, passengers, water source safety efforts. Man, I can't wait for that CPI to come out. I keep seeing hyperinflation spooks everywhere. That'd be nuts though, right? 50% plus inflation. Who believes that? That's a little crazy. I know Robert does for sure. Welcome to my childhood, he said. Alrighty, 19 little resistance there. I forgot to pull up the level 2. Let's pull up the level 2 really quick on AMC and GameStop. Should we pull up the TNS too? You guys want this as well? Let me know. You guys want the times of sales on the right-hand side? Or is that just too much? The Christmas tape right here. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Morning Tiger. Oh, you guys want it? There we go. All right, let's see it. Jobless claims coming out late. I believe it already came out. Jobless claims. Let's go to Bloomberg. It came out pandemic low. Jobless claims is every Thursday, by the way. For those of you who don't know, jobless claims fell to 406K. Take a look at this. This is just beautiful. Pandemic low. Kathy Wood. So Springs is only a blip on the future. So magnificent. Kathy Wood still believes 500K for Bitcoin, guys. 500K. Yeah, the Amazon MGM seen antitrust not as tech critics cry foul. Yeah, the deal was passed through yesterday too. 8 point something billion for Amazon. It's Kathy versus Mr. Whale. And for Tesla, it's Kathy versus Michael Burry. Burry has a ton of puts on Tesla. Kathy's maxed out 10%. Kathy, what is the total babe? She saved me from Tesla so many times. She's also really invested. Let's go to this really quick. Coinbase, which is back to 241. Zoom, Teladoc. Let's take a look at Peloton, Twitter. Really quick, just peek at these stocks before we go back to AMC. I kind of want to get an idea of where the market is going this morning. All right, kind of choppy, right? And usually I've noticed for AMC that unless it's some nasty red day, unless it's a crazy red day in the markets when you're getting slapped by the market and taking a jab in the gut by the cryptocurrencies, then it'll follow along. But other than that, I don't think it'll follow with the overall market. They're just their own beast, you know? Unless the market is really bleeding super bad, then I think it'll be red. It'll follow and it'll crater in. It'll fold. 230, 1865. Look at the similarity in these patterns. They're really truly back. 229. Let's see where we hold support. Bitcoin is at 40.1. Ethereum, we need you back above 3K, man. What's going on, Steve? Dogecoin 34. I swear Dogecoin has been at 34 for like the last 3 days. Every time I look at Doge, it's at the same price. Alrighty, we're seeing lower highs here. I'm gonna take a look at Yahoo Finance just to pull up the volume really quick. Yahoo Finance. The key for me on these stocks is to at least hold a $0.50 in the whole number marks. Whole number for GameStop would be 220 and AMC would possibly be 18, 1850, 19, and 1950. Let's see, what's the volume? Give me the volume. Trending tickers on Yahoo Finance. Number 1, you guys won't believe it. Sundial. Number 2, BB, BlackBerry. Number 3, SOS. SOS. Nvidia and Snow. Nvidia had earnings yesterday, and they crushed it. Beat both estimates and revenue. EPS and rev. And the stock is kind of dying here at 622. Did anybody hop on the conference call? Raise the price target to 775, and they're gonna go for the split next week too. 4-1 on Thursday, June 3. That day is gonna be nuts. We have Tesla with their plaid, a model being unveiled. We have the AMC proxy. We have the split here with Nvidia. Crazy week. Markets are closed Monday, by the way. Here comes AMC back to $19. I think I saw a slight wall on 19. So you see this pattern here, lower highs. Not necessarily the greatest thing, but if we can continue to maintain higher lows, maybe we might be in for a break in the next couple minutes. 6 on SOS this morning. Pre-market began to drop. Let's see SOS. Ooh, 448, 343. I don't know how they've been going with their Bitcoin. They're mining. Options alert. Let's take a look at the options and the volume on Yahoo really quick. Alrighty, AMC. Let's go AMC. I wonder why AMC and GameStop are not trending on here. 33 million volume on AMC right now. That's pretty decent. That's a lot of volume. GameStop, my guess is 2.4. 1.3. 1.3 million volume. Let's take a look at Tesla and NEO really quick. 617 pulling back, still SPY hanging in there. No, 420. 420 and SPY. Tech is the one lagging today. How's the value? How's Dow? All right, Tech is lagging. Not surprised. Not surprised. All right, here we go. We're in for another test at 19. Keep your eye on the ask of these walls there. What's going on, Nathan? 800 sucks. Oh, 800 bucks. 800 bucks is 800 bucks, man. Any profit is better than a loss. I'll tell you that for sure. I'd rather make a $10 profit than lose $100. What do you learn? What do you learn from SPY? It's the index, man. So SPY is basically SPX, S&P 500. If you don't know, it's just 10% of SPX, just to make it cheaper and affordable. So think about this: SPX is this, right? Divide that by 10, and you get SPY, which is basically the index. Or if you want to go to ETFs, you have the QQQ, you have the inverse ETFs, SQQ, or you want to go on the bear side, you have the SQQ. Just like JNUG, we got your gold there, and JDST, you have your inverses. Before DGAS and UGAS got delisted, there were the natural gas ETFs. What else do you have? Can't really think. There's a ton of them right now. But same thing with like NASDAQ. NQ, when you see me talking about /NQ, this is just basically NASDAQ futures. NDX is NASDAQ. Or the Dow, DJI, which is the $ DJI. But that is the overall index and how the market sentiment is going about. Or you could just go on here and look at the heat map, which should be updated in like 5 minutes or so. You'll see this flashing. And it'll give you an insight of what the day is like. Where stocks are headed. Usually on days where it's like disgustingly green, I go a little bit more aggressive when I would day trade Tesla. And days where it's just completely bloody, there's not a lot of power in the markets, people are selling off, there's more pressure on the downside. I take it a little lightly, cut my losses quickly, and get in and out really quick. All right, there's that break past 19 again. Higher lows, like we said. The thing is, it needs to hold above 19. Let's see a GameStop follow here. 231. Oh, it's coming back. This is the way. Give it some time. The way AMC is trading just looks wrong. This can't be legitimate. It was due for a pullback on the 15-minute. This was completely riding the EMA since Monday. Since Monday a market opened, this thing was just not pulling back, right? This is the first time that it's pulled back. Trading sideways is not bad. Trading sideways after a ridiculous rally like this, 61%, around 60, 63%. It's like the best case scenario, man. Like I said, one of the last things you want is a nasty parabolic run-up with the pullback, followed by the same magnitude. Why? Because then people start getting spooked. But this is not bad. This is not bad. This is finding supports. It can hold support for today, tomorrow, next week it continues to go up. The last thing I want is to be in a stock that goes from, it just rallies, like goes parabolic. I'd rather just have a steady uptrend, hold support along the way. You just gotta look at the bigger picture. We've had some side consolidation though. Yeah, if it can hold 1850, 19 today, that's a big dub. Of course, there's a long trading day ahead. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's go to the daily. Look how it's holding above the EMA on the daily, which is at, there's that number again, 444, 1444. That's insane. That's nuts. I was estimating a 15, maybe a $15 pullback, and bouncing from here. This is nuts. The fact that it's holding up here is crazy. Crazy. 2 weeks ago, AMC was at 11. It's still going strong. Yup. Look, it's still holding here. That demand, that volume is what you want. Even though if it trades sideways, that attention is there. There comes GameStop. Take a look. GameStop's probably going to shoot up to like 235 right now. Watch. Drop my napkin. Ugh. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Let's go. Back to the good old days, huh? Oh, the feds are coming for me, baby. Forgot to pay my taxes. Like to see those runs. Yeah, AMC GameStop. The reason you're able to follow or predict a pop like this is just because AMC. If AMC does it, look at the similarity in these patterns, man. It's no joke. To the candle. One green candle followed by a massive rip. One green candle followed by what? A massive rip. And the candle as of now that closes in 6 seconds is still going green. We got a new candle coming in 3, 2, 1. New candle. There it is. New candle. Continuation of the green. Triple threats. Give me another one. Let's go. 37. Oh, we have our Weeble account. Let's go to Weeble. Let's see. What price did we buy in at our YOLO account? At 70, no? I think we're down, but it's nothing crazy. We were in for that 20 pop. Let's go to the heat map. Still not moving. What's the 10-year at? 10-year. 10-year. Or TLT. I want to buy puts on TLT, man. Oh, that would have been a good idea yesterday. We're already down to 138.23 low pre-markets. SS Sporting, I YOLO'd my $700 Weeble account that I got from free stocks from YouTube all into AMC. I sold, yes, my WPF. I'm no longer on the route to becoming the CEO of WPF. Watch WPF go to $100. That'd suck, right? Uber. Let's see. May 25. So I guess there's a new article from the 25th on May 27. I mean 25 about gene editing toolbox from ARC. I need to read up on that. If you guys aren't subscribed to ARC's free information, their trades that they send out daily, 100% recommend. It is completely free. Let me pull up my email. Let's see. 50, there it is. Yeah, paper handed WPF. Can you explain a put? I never do options. Ever since I got wrecked losing 6 figures in one day, I got completely clapped. I haven't done options since like a year. And I want to do puts on this, man. So as TLT comes down, depending on my strike price, I'll make some profits. That's if the Fed raises interest rates by the time I put expires, basically. If I'm going for December 2022, then I have till then. That's only if it pulls back too. There it is, continuation, 64. Give it 70. Come on, we're so close to 20. We're not even that far away. This is nuts. No, don't troll me like that, man. Don't troll me like that. WPF is not trending on Wall Street Bets. Don't do me like that, man. Yeah, I'll plug in the Discord. It's completely free. 60. Oh man, I want to see 20 so bad. Tesla's merging with WPF. Simulation confirmed. Bitcoin is still hanging in there at 40.1. Ethereum 2,800. I'm telling you guys, I don't think Bitcoin is gonna trade sideways any longer. It's either gonna break 42 and go back to 45, or it's gonna tank to 30. I see it coming. I see a breakout. Come on. Let's see. Let's see by Saturday. Let's see 43 by Saturday. Maybe 45. Anybody here holding Bitcoin? Where are my Bitcoin peeps at? Where are my crypto peeps at? All right, let's hold 50. I think we could see 20 today. Here comes GameStop again. There we go, Ron. 20K in Bitcoin. Sag deep in crypto. I love swooping up Bitcoin and Ethereum, couple $100 when it completely starts bleeding. Like when you see headlines everywhere, is this the end of crypto? Is this the end of Bitcoin? That's when I think you should buy. When it's up in like 20% crazy rebounds, I don't like buying there. And in that case, I love selling there. The whole market, I missed that message. The whole crypto market has been moving together the last few days. It almost doesn't matter what you call it right now. Exactly. Bitcoin's leading the way. 56, here we go. Double red candle, typical technical pullback. Let's see that rebound to 70. Come on. Don't struggle at 50. GameStop 236. We should see a pop here. Come on, GameStop. Break 237. Yeah, I've been looking at Matic too. Tesla's jumping. Oh, damn it, Tesla. News driven or what? Cardano Pano says only Ethereum killers, Ethereum 2.0. Man, Tesla 650 is not a meme. Here comes AMC. Let's go to 20, man. Save Mars. Yeah, I heard about all these freaking coins, these meme coins, joke coins. I'm really worried about them after what happened Sunday with the freaking scam, the 32 million a run they did with the money from investors. That's a little sketch. I'd be a little worried. Like, I have so many bots on Twitter DMing me to buy MILF coin. Even on Discord, it's just like insane. Oh my God, we're almost at 20. Holy crap. You guys are gonna witness this here. 20! Fuck! We hit 20! Let's go! This just happened right now. 2036, baby. We're coming for the high of the year. Let's go. We're only 36 cents away. Yeah, MILF coin. That's what it is. Come on, GameStop. Show us 250. A new high is not a meme. I did not get to see that wall there. Is there a wall at 20? I'm pretty sure it's going to be a massive wall. Let's just break past that. Have that freaking FOMO. All these chasers coming at 20. Let's go. Ooh. I don't see a wall. There's no wall. Let's go to 36. Let's go. Oh, here comes GameStop. It's creeping. MindMed is having a bad trip. Pulling back. 20, 24, 36. Oh my God, we're about to hit a new 52-week high. We're 4 cents away. Come on. GameStop, here it comes. We're waking up. 241. Let's go to 250. Come on. We're 1 cent away. New high. New fucking high. No way. Let's go to what? What high is this? 2018. We're going for 70. I just got a little lightheaded. There's a massive wall from history. I don't see any walls. Maybe 250s. Yeah, 249. Maybe 250s. I don't think there's none at 20. I don't see anything. I don't see anything at 20. Oh, I saw it at 129 at 2050. Blow past that, baby. There's a small wall, but I don't think it's getting held back. 60. What are we? 20. 70. We're so close. Yeah, there was someone in our Discord yesterday spamming the MILF coin. You get some rockets in there. I missed that. I missed seeing the rockets. Just spam the rockets. Oh man. All right, let's see. Let's see a healthy pullback. Hold your AMC. I'm waiting for the headline, baby. Give it to me. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's see. Let's see what Kramer is saying. Let it pull back and hold. 20, 33, 35. Yes, sir. We're going for that. I want 250 on GameStop too. AMC shares rise 5.2%. Well, 4.5. Hit 10 billion valuation for the first time. Mm, mm, mm. Let's go. I wonder what that one guy is. You know that one guy who put a penny price target on it? What's his name? Rich Greenfield or something like that? I wonder what he's thinking right now watching this. Probably like, what the heck? AMC volume 65 mil. Here we go. Let's go for a 52. I mean, an all-time. Here on the 3-year, we're looking at 2070. That's crazy. GameStop 239. No, I don't know where Rob's at. Is he in here? Yeah, Dr. Burry. Neo is slow increase. Yeah, Neo's gonna follow good old Tesla. Look at that similarity in the patterns. You can't make it up. 628 new high on Tesla is not an effing meme. Is Nasdaq pushing too? Seen a little comeback. 420 on SPY. Oh man. What a morning, man. 30 minutes in. 33 minutes in. All-time highs are like $27. I mean, pre-dilution. What are we at now? A share. Does anybody know? Yesterday we were sitting at 75. It's something crazy though. This looks nutty on the daily too. Oh, like right now, I know you people don't want to hear this, but I don't know where this is gonna pull back to and hold. Now I was thinking 15, but now that it's holding in here, maybe $17. Like I do truly believe this can have a pretty aggressive pullback. So just be aware. That's it. Just be aware and do not be surprised. 2045. Here we go. 65, 70. I think we just broke that resistance here on the weekly, on the 3-year. I mean, we did. 77. Let's go to 21. I don't even know where this can go after this. We're just playing the whole dollars and the half dollars. 21 is next. A chip shortage dents automakers in April. Yeah, we knew that. We knew that. The next big pullback is going to be the dip. There's going to be a dip. I just don't know when. This could go to freaking $25 before a dip. The thing is, just be aware. There's a massive wall 89. They just keeps breaking past them. 91. Let's go to 21. Even 17 would be an amazing price. I don't know about $12 dip. I think that's way too low. There's 50 on GameStop. Let's go. 46. Let's go. You're a little lagging behind, GameStop. 98. 21 is here. Oh, that's a nice green candle here on GameStop. Oh, 248. 2108 for AMC. Let's go. I don't even know the echo pump works. This little device here, I don't know if you can see it. I have all the buttons here. Echo pump never works. Yeah, this I don't see a 12 dip on AMC. I see right now a bunch of people FOMOing. 12 is way too crazy low. Unless something crazy happens on the proxy, then oh my god, 250. Come on, come on. This is yesterday's. Yes, a new high is not a meme. What a time to be alive, man. 2126. No onions. Hell no on the onions. And the onions would cause the market to freaking collapse. Eat a potato. You guys want me to get sick, huh? Look at that clean breakout we had here. There it is. AMC Entertainment shares move above 4%. Let's hold here. Let's just keep on going. Make this the day where this goes crazy. Just $25. Got profits at 21.12. Nice, nice. DoorDash some Arby's. Oh, it's 7 in the morning, man. I don't even think they're open. Can AMC see 22, 23? I think that's what we're playing now. I don't. There really isn't other resistance, any other resistance since I believe what you guys said 27, right? That's what we're playing now. It's just 21, 21.50, 22. People are going to be taking some profits on the highs too. Yeah, the momentum is going to keep on going. Let's see it. 21. GameStop retracing 244. Let's ride the EMA, baby. Tom Brady is here. Ford, unusual options activity. Ford, what a monster. Not AMC GameStop. There we go. $25 today. It can be possible, man. You'd be surprised. It's a very choppy market out there, and this is up 7%. Yeah, people flocking to this. $22.96. Hmm. So the New York Times posted this, right? The man won't fly for a million years. December 8, 1903. 9 days later, the first successful flight was achieved by the Wright brothers just 9 days later. The New York Times. Interesting. Oh, no way. I always missed the highs. 21.45. We're going to 21.50. 247 here for GameStop. Let's go again to 250. I want to see 250, man. There's 21.50. There's no wall there, is there? I don't see it. 49, 53, 55. Let's 22's next. 63, 64, 65. What's the volume like? Yahoo Finance. FOMO at its best. That's exactly what this is happening right now. I don't think this is covering of shorts. I think this is just playing out retail. The volume is 89 million. The Dogecoin Shibu ad comes before watching this video. It's so cringe. There's a Shibu ad on this. 21.75. We're coming for 22. After that, we're going to 22.50. GameStop, you're a little sleepy, buddy. You need some coffee? Wake up. Let's go to 250. My jaw's officially dropped by AMC. I'm not too shook. Like right now, it's just going parabolic, man. This is crazy. Like this is just a lot of people buying at the highs, like a bunch of FOMO. Oh my God, 91 mil. GameStop SMC 250. Come on. 83. Let's see 22 print here on Tesla. I was about to say Tesla. On AMC. Come on. Don't pull back on me like this already. Brenda, good morning. Only 99,978 left. GameStop beautifully holding and riding that EMA. I love it. I love it. Hold that sucker, baby, at 244. AMC, just show me 222. This is crazy. Just show me 22. Come on. You're right there. We're having some pullback. I wouldn't say it's parabolic. That's true. I mean, but just looking at the daily, it's freaking nuts. GameStop 245. I wanted to see 250 so bad. Ooh. Yeah, they're both right in the EMA. That is strength there. That's what I'm not surprised if this hits 22 or GameStop hits 250. All right, hold 250. Come on. Where are those articles? Let me see them. Let me see them. What's going on with BlackBerry? What is going on with BlackBerry? It's coming back. How about costs? These other meme stocks. Interesting. 2140. What's going on, David? What's up? Where do you guys see GameStop going on the top end? GameStop. Obviously, you can't. Technicals, I guess you can relate it to AMC, but fundamentally, I think it's something very different. It's a very different beast. I favor GameStop more than AMC. Strength, technical wise, I think AMC is a little bit more volatile, a lot more volume on this year than GameStop, though. So it's like one for the other, right? That's the way I see it right now. You guys want the spacesuit? You guys want the spacesuit? You guys missed the spacesuit. All right, this is holding here pretty decently. GameStop at 246, AMC at 2145. Ride the E. All you want to see is this blue line. Just ride it smoothly like it's doing exactly how it's bouncing off of here. 22, here we come. GME at 250. GameStop at 2150. What do you mean? And throw Kramer on the TV. Don't worry, dude. Here we come. Come on. There's no walls there that I'm seeing, guys. There's no walls here. Oh, don't do this. Don't do that. Just break above. It's kind of cooling off here, I think. Prove me wrong. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah, it looks like tests on Mondays too. Riding that EMA crazily. So this can pull back to 20 bucks, guys. It can pull back to 20 and it can hold there. And it can continue to have a good day. That's how insane this is. There's EMA crack here on GameStop. AMC going for it too. Damn, we were 50 cents away on GameStop. Not bad, not bad. Both are overbought. Yeah, they're a little overextended. But nonetheless, the attention, the volume is still there. And it's still holding support though. That's what you want. Come on, it's holding 44, man. Let's go to 22. $32. Don't crack EMA. This is nuts. It's been riding EMA since Monday, guys. Apart from pre-market, not counting pre-market, that's completely insane. GameStop made a restroom stop and getting some gas. The gas is a lot gonna be influenced by AMC. I smell another breakout here at 22, guys. I smell the pop coming. Oh, I saw a wall here. 287. Where was that at? You guys will see here flash on the ash really quick. I saw 287. I don't think the walls are going to be honored today. There's a F ton of volume. 2150. Come on. You're there. Tweeta. I lowered my Webull account on AMC, my small Webull account, yesterday into close. 19 what? I can't even sign into my Webull. I don't even care. I can't sign in. What did we buy at? 1999? Something like that. Maybe it's just the true value of stock coming through. They can't manipulate this forever. That's for a whole different conversation because you're not bringing fundamentals into this. I don't think fundamentals at this point right now are a concern for AMC or GameStop. Obviously, I think they will in the long run. Everything I believe truly does come to its fundamental value. It's just the time frame. You don't effing know. You don't know. And with the volume attention these stocks have right now, it's not really a big question, you know? Do you know what multiplier EMA uses? 13. I have 13 EMA. Studies. I have EMA at 13. Come on. I smell 22. I smell 22 cooking. GameStop pushing up. I smell 22 cooking. I smell 22 cooking. Give me the freaking chasers. 70s. You're up 400%. Let's go. Don't. Oh, damn it. It's like people are taking some profits here at the highs. Can't blame them. Let's see if they buy back on the dip, though. If this does dip to like 21, say 21 or maybe 2050, I want to see how aggressive that bounce is. How fast that dip is bought. Also make note of that. Pay attention to that. Volume is nuts still. Trending is not AMC or GameStop on trending tickers for Yahoo. Interesting. It should be on here though. 109 mil volume. We're not even an hour into open. Nuts, nuts. Let's take a look at Binance. What's Bitcoin at? Is it popping? 40. 40.1. Let's see 43 on Bitcoin by Sunday. Sundays are usually red days though for crypto. Yeah, the volume is nuts, man. Days like where on this like this where there's a lot of volume, AMC and GameStop do really well. The days I've noticed where AMC lacks volume and it drops is when it's usually on the way down. So interesting. Come on, let's see 22, man. It's completely nuts. No, it's cracking EMA, pulling back 21. I mean, you can't really blame it. This is a crazy extension here. So let it find support. Let it find support. Let it do its thing. Remember this W's in the chat. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that. After every earnings call. Let me get my charger. My phone's gonna die. Yes, I do use my phone for my camera because I'm a bot. I don't know how to set up my camera on here. Where did you end up getting back into AMC? I bought with my Webull account, which I don't really care to pull out the money in there. Like a 19 something. So I'm probably up like what? Three, can't do math right now. Probably like a couple less than like 200 bucks probably. That was just with the YOLO play too. I want to see 25, brother. I see. It's a hard question because at this point you're just playing who's gonna get out the top. You know, you're playing who's gonna time the top. This guy holds 50 shares of Tesla at once but can't get a camera. I do have a camera, man. It's hard to connect with the OBS software. It's much easier to use my camera. Good old Tesla, man. Mm. All right, there's 21. Let it hold 21. Take profits. People don't like when I tell them to take profits. I never understood people. Like, if you're in the stock market, you're here to make money. I don't understand why people shame for taking profits. You can always buy back in on the dip. If you're not taking profits, you're not playing. You shouldn't be in the markets, man. I know people are like the 100K AMC, but be realistic, man. Be realistic with me. Who here is gonna hold to 100K? Who here is not gonna sell? Let me get my charger. Chair pump. Oh my gosh, let's see 22. Ralphie's gonna sell for sure. If the price is right, absolutely. You're tripping if you think I'm in a market to hold, not make any money. At that point, I'd rather be doing something else with my money. House money too. You can play it that way. Cupcakes, what's going on? If that I'm in this to make money, I'm gonna hold for a long time, but I'm definitely taking profits. That's why I got into this. Bingo, bingo. Who buys and holds until they die? I don't know. Tesla wants to hit 630. Yeah, Tesla's been freaking testing me too. 626. Come on, you're in there for 20, 22. Bitcoin's at 40. Yeah, Bitcoin's really testing again that 40 resistance. Volume is 120 mil on AMC. Come on, 22. You're in there. You're in there. It's coming back. Oh, crap. Let's go. You use your phone for a main camera and a computer for the main window. No, I have two PCs, custom PC, whatever built, whatever specs. 22. Exactly 22. That's funny. Funny how it works, right? Funny how these whole number works. Oh, let's go to 2250. That's what I'm talking about next. GameStop, don't tease me with 249.50. Just give me 250. All this buying and selling, I can only imagine everyone's taxes. Talk about me that they traded $11 million of Tesla in December. Screw the taxes, man. I never understood people who said I don't wanna buy and sell, or I don't want to work more because I have to pay more taxes. Oh, new high. Come on. Ruff, when you bought into AMC at $2, did you ever think you would see this? Absolutely freaking not. Never ever did I buy AMC thinking this is going to be shorted and this is going to squeeze and this is going to happen. No, I'm just simple. I'm just going to. Oh, reopening play. I love the movies, by the way. As much as I've said that, no, I sound like a broken record. 2250, that's what I'm talking about. We're playing the $half mark, so I'm not surprised to see at 2250. The next stop is $23. 23. 11 million. Yeah, I traded a crazy ton of Tesla in December and January. Like crazy, crazy. Like I'm about to become a hedge fund with how much I was day trading Tesla. It was a crazy amount. Oh, 250. Oh man, I need a punching bag behind me. Look at the people who sold you at 250. It's pulling back. The profit takers there. 2255. Oh, the Ralph ETF. I'm gonna start my own ETF. Jamer ETF. Ticker symbol JMER. Going to the effing moon. Yeah, this opened up at $18, up $4. That's insane. No, Elon, I don't think Elon's gonna trash Bitcoin again. What's the next resistance on GameStop? I would say this was a little bit more easier to play on the technicals. I'm gonna go with 260s. That was the price here. We fell off the EMA back in March 15. 260s. 260s, I would say. $10 from where it's at right now, 250. You guys want me to play We Like the Stock? We Like the Stock. Come on. $23 is what we're seeing here on AMC Watch. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. 2255 was the high. Come on, I smell a new high coming in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. New high. No? No? No! Oh my gosh. 2255, huh? That's insane. Elon's not gonna trash GameStop and AMC. I don't think he cares. The dude bought probably millions and millions of dollars of Bitcoin. I think his last concern is freaking GameStop or AMC. Kramer with the head fakes. He's more concerned with Dogecoin. Wait, the Jamer pump? Jamer's chilling. I don't even know where he went. Jamer, where are you? Come on, new high. You're right there. 48. All right, new high in three. No, man, people are really playing this here at the highs. Come on, that candle is really bullish, by the way, on the 1 minute. Give me a new high. There we go. 68, 69 for the meme, 70. We're going to 23 bucks. This is what you're witnessing here, ladies and gentlemen, is massive FOMO. This is nuts. This is crazy. This is insane. This is like, I don't know what to say. This is nuts. We're going to 23 though. GameStop, I don't know what he's doing though. GameStop's kind of indecisive here. I would expect to see like 253 on GameStop right now. I think the attention is on AMC right now. 86. Just give me 23. After 23, we're going to 23.50. Here it comes. When should I pull out? $30. It's up to you, man. I can't. Yeah, that's the whole hard part about this whole everyone hodl, you know? It's like you can't put everybody on the same page. Everyone has different situations in life economically where they're going, different bills they gotta pay. I've seen people that they want to buy a house with the money they make, and it's like everyone has a different mindset and goals, you know? To have different disciplines, different approaches, different strategies. Like myself, I'm in and out of things really quick, by the way. Like I don't care what the stock does after. Like I'll sell and I'll take my profits. Because at the end of the day, I want to make money first and foremost. I don't want to get wrecked. I want to come back the next day in the markets and be alive and not just get blown up. I want to be here a year from now and be like, I'm glad I didn't make stupid mistakes that caused me to just, I haven't already done it. That caused me to take breaks. I lost 6 figs in 1 day in February last year, and I stopped trading until December of last year. I took almost a whole year off because that was mentally killing me. So that changed me a lot, and like the FOMO and whatnot, you learn to control yourself a lot because you know there's opportunities there are opportunities gonna come. I promise you, by the end of this year, there's gonna be another AMC and GameStop. There's gonna be more opportunities. So if you missed this, if you sold early like myself, or if you're just on the sidelines, I promise you, there's gonna be more opportunities. I promise you. I promise you. Like you learn to control the FOMO basically, your emotions and whatnot. When most of the retail hold the stock and have control of the price, how come why not investing or not invest of a flipping for burger? Wait, what? F Price outcome, why not instead of flipping for burgers, pounds? What? That didn't make any sense. I learned a whole lot since January. There we go. There we go, 23. Now we're going to 23.50. 23.50 is the next stop. GameStop has slowly been coming. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, home run mentalities are not the bet. Not this is not what you want. When you start taking massive bets, you want a home run, man. Yes, if you hit that home run, you're gonna make some crazy money. But if you miss that, and it's gonna be freaking detrimental. Let's go. Gonna buy a Glock 45. GameStop really didn't really follow AMC. 245. What's going on, Hector? Let's see Twitter. That's Twitter going crazy. What's the volume on AMC? 145. right? 146, yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh my God, guys, CBOE options exchange problem system issues. No way. The GameStop and AMC are breaking Chicago. There's no way. CBOE Edge X options exchange problem probing system issues. Oh crap. Oh crap. CBOE is having problems. This is why we're seeing this crazy rally here. Woo-hoo! Damn. Damn it, CBOE. Market makers too. Yeah, Edge X. Damn. This is my first time viewing you, and you said more sensible things in 5 minutes than some other channels I've been following for years. I appreciate that. CBOE is Chicago Board Options Exchange. They're having issues with options. I don't know what the heck. I need to read more up on this. It's just a tweet. It says CBOE Edge X, which is this, the market maker. This is what you see here flashing on the bid and ask. Edge X right here. Options exchange probing system issues. So I think there's just a massive demand. That's what I'm guessing. Anybody want to throw in what they think? Watch Robinhood crash right now too. Maybe Robinhood's gonna come out with BS. With, I mean, uh, I don't see any of the other tweets. Let me look more into this really quick. CBOE. SIBO. More trust in AMC than GameStop as a company. I beg to differ. I think it's the opposite. I don't see anything else. Is there news for AMC on Thinkorswim? Let's check. Friday 23 calls. I think this is the gamma squeeze. Uh, yeah, the 52-week high news. Here it is. Apart from the 52-week high on the options, I don't see anything else. Not really. I mean, I don't see any other problems. Hmm. Maybe it might not be a big deal. I don't think it's a big deal. Let's take a look at Tesla really quick. All right, 626, 2285. Contracts adopted open interest for 4.6 million calls and 3 million puts on Ford. Yeah, Ford has been going crazy too. 1479. Imagine the people who bought the dip after the earnings here at 11. Anybody have Ford? Ford. All right, give me 2350 AMC. $22.88. Ford is the real EV play in my opinion. Interesting. They're a little late behind the curve, but the technology they want to copy from Tesla is going to be rolling out over the air software updates in 8 years. You'll have that in 8 years. Why are you so mad? Who? Cheatown Rebel? What is he saying? Just stop by to say you're a sellout. Stop advertising AMC. Thank you so much, Cheatown Rebel. You make me want to sell my AMC. just to troll you. No Ford here. You told me not to. The worst financial advisor ever. I told you go and test up 560. What was it? The dip. That's 620. I take no offense to anybody insulting me that has an AMC logo on their picture. That's like the worst of them all. No, the worst of them all are the ones with no profile picture. Those are the worst. Chi-Town. Whatever his name is, who cares? How much are we up on our YOLO play? Let me see. Weibo is so confusing. Bro, my thing is stuck. Come on, Weibo. There we go. Stocks. This is 22 bucks, right? No, that can't be right. Oh, it's right here on the right-hand side. Give me 1 second. That's the price. What am I talking about? Uh, 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 uh. Well, 14%. Surely people will not hold AMC at these prices. First of all, what you have to remember is Monday, the market's closed. It's the end of the month. What do people do at the end of the month? They rebalance their portfolios. They take profits before the weekend. Usually we see a drop on these stocks on Friday into the market close, just like we do with the overall index. So don't be surprised. I feel like at this price, AMC has to have a healthy pullback, and I could just rebuy. That's the way I see it. It's a lovely day outside. Gamestop isn't doing much. Might go for a walk in 5 minutes. Will you be on Power Hour? What's today? Thursday? Yesterday I got like 6 missed calls. So I don't know. I need to follow up with that. I don't know if I'm gonna be busy. We've been holding for 5 to 6 months, bro. Congrats. That's your plan. I have my plan. You are not me, and I am not you. Scalp everything else. Hold AMC. It's only 30 shares. I'm gonna hold it. I don't really care. 162 mil volume. Woohoo! Big pullback on GameStop. Let's see. Is it the 5 EMA? I believe so. Yep, 242. So this can pull back to like 36. Could ride that beautiful trend up. Above 220, I think today's a big dub. Tested 250. Here comes AMC pulling back. There's that 5-minute EMA. Oh man, I want to like day trade. You guys don't understand. As a day trader, seeing this with volume, it's like, oh crap, I want to do it. Too many windows open. Got to hear your rental business is doing well. Bless, man. Bless. That's I'm forever grateful. Forever grateful. Do it. Day trade a little then for the funsies. Alrighty, let's do it. It's only on the dips though, so I'm buying the dip and selling the rip. Let's move GameStop. Usually when you have a ton of things like this, level 2, TNS, you get my system starts to like slow down. I'm gonna wait for a pullback here. Let's see. Let's see if I can nail it here. Hopefully I don't get caught in on a midday pullback. But It doesn't really matter. Sensory overload. Yeah, I mean, I'm streaming here. I have YouTube. I have Twitter, Yahoo Finance. You could change how much usage it has up here, by the way, which I never really understood and messed with it. But do you have any music videos have your cars in them? Yes, a lot of artists. I have a lot of artists that rent cars. You could go, it's LA, man. These people, you see all these exotic cars in videos. I know a lot of them. It's a whole industry like that. Rob says he's gonna unsubscribe. Oh, Robert's a troll. Robert's trolling right now. Hmm. Friday, you should do a drinking day trades. Nah, man, I don't like. I don't really. I'm not a big fan of just drinking. I don't know. It has to be like a really special occasion. AMC's not dipping, guys, so there's no play here. I'm waiting. If there's gonna be a day trade, usually I go for this under EMA, but this is crazy strong. That 5 minute candle is looking pretty strong. I would expect to push it to 274, 2274. It feels like Friday for some reason. Buying the dip is always an occasion. There's that push. Man, this coffee. I need to switch up my coffee, man. Starbucks put something in there. You should drink Guinness. It's a beautiful. I don't. I'm more of the Steel Reserve $2 beers. You know, you feel me? Save some money. Just playing. I thought yesterday was Thursday. It does feel like Friday, right? I think it's this whole crazy rally on AMC that's kind of like messing with you. Because when you're in space, time moves different, right? That's what they say. Hey, Ralph, do you charge for mileage? Yes, there's a mileage requirement. So usually for exotics, it's 175 miles. Not 175, 75 to 100 miles, depending on the exotic. Obviously, you don't want to give unlimited miles because you could be surprised. People taking these cars to Mexico, and the last thing you want is your Lamborghini to come back with 700 miles on the odometer, and it's not cheap to maintain these cars. Tires and whatnot. They're out. Guys, one time, so in Irwindale, there's a speedway, right? That people go out and they race and do donuts and whatnot. All right, so I rent out this yellow Ferrari, right? Beautiful 488 Ferrari GTB. And we have the company frames on the license plate on the license plate. And all my friends know, they know the deal with the cars, right? So one of my friends is out there at the track. By the way, AMC's gonna pull back here. Let's get ready. And he sends me a picture on Snapchat. He's like, "Yo, isn't this your car?" And obviously, you can't go wrong with the yellow Ferrari. Let's move Gamestop. Or you can't miss a yellow Ferrari, right? I'm like, what the hell? This guy took the rental out to the track. What? And you have to have a deposit. So it's like a 2,000 deposit. Take the deposit away. It's gone. It's no longer yours. Do Lambos even have trunks? Yes, it's in the front. It's in the front. The engine is in the back. Except for the Urus. The Urus has in the back. It's like glorified glove box. Nothing fits in there, man. Nothing. You have luggage, it won't fit. It's not gonna fit. The most you're looking at is a small duffel bag. That's it. Damn it, AMC's pretty strong on the dips. Like this is day trader paradise. You don't understand AMC as a day trader. You see volume and attention and strength like this. Uh, I'll see you later, Harry. You excited for Sunday? I mean Saturday, Chelsea and Manchester City for the final. Who do you guys got? So where are my soccer fans at? Or football fans? The fake frunk. If you can't fit a body, it's not a trunk. Thoughts on new Ford's truck? Props to them for going on the EV route, saving the freaking environment. But I'm not a fan of the truck. I think it's ugly, and I'm not a Ford guy. Tesla all the way. I booked the table. There we go. City all the way. The odds are stacked against Chelsea, so we'll print some tandies on Saturday. Damn it, Ames, you're not coming down for me. You don't let me buy you. Should we just go on like 15K shares of AMC? That'd be so risky. Spilled my coffee. So we're not seeing a dip. If I do buy 15K, I'm gonna get stuck. That's the only reason I won't do it. Just like when I bought 105 shares of Tesla on accident, it wasn't letting me get out. It'll take forever. I feel like I'll get stuck. Yes, I heard about that. You can actually buy shares of Manchester United. What exchange is it though? I know for sure it's out there. It's MCUX. I forgot what it's called. Let's see. I'm trying to find that. Manchester United. No way you accidentally buy 105 shares. I did. I swear I bought 105 shares of Tesla. You know what? I tried to buy 10 shares, like right here on the quantity. I put 10, right? And I don't know what happened. A 5 came through. So I actually got filled and I got wrecked. I immediately sold for like $200 loss. It's just so crazy. The fat finger mistake. Is it another crypto? You should watch Lau versus Wall Street. What show is that? Is that a show or something? Lau versus Wall Street? FTSE. Possibly you might be right. That's interesting. If you buy shares in Manchester United, right? And if they lose a game, does the stock go down? I would imagine, right? I like Lou. What show is that? Lou versus Wall Street. Lau versus Wall Street. Twitter. Oh, it's probably a person. Twitter. Oh, he's a YouTuber, I think. Wait, this guy looks familiar.
There's a lady in there. It's a brain injury place.
Lou in the hospital. Is this stocks or what? I'm such a boomer at heart. Yeah, they do get money for that. I don't know who this is. Thinking about subscribing. Do you ever share the stocks you're buying? Yes. And I'll tell you when I'm selling as much hate as I get. I'll always do it here live. A lot of these other YouTubers don't even have any stocks. I'll tell you when I buy and when I sell. You'll see me do it live. Everything here is live. But I'll never force anybody to subscribe or unsubscribe. That's all you. I'm still waiting for this drop here. There it is, coming down. Come on. The gift cards. I gave basically like 90% of my YouTube revenue, the money I was making on here, away. I gave away two PS5s, like 1,000 something dollars worth of gift cards away, and I still got hate. People are freaking nuts. Look at the R sites already. I don't have RSI, buddy. Here it goes. Buy the effing dip. We're going in with 250 shares. It's not coming. It's not coming down as aggressive as I think it will. This is so strong. These are dips you want to buy. Look how fast it rebounds, man. Fuck. Usually on Tesla you see a slide. So in this case it'd probably go to like 2150, but no. Damn, this thing's strong, man. Because you have them away to your friends like the PS5. I actually have somebody on Twitter who can verify he's not my friend. You know what sucks? I sent the PS5 to New York and he never followed up. He never said, "Hey, buddy, I got the PS5." Nothing. He never said anything. Like it just, I paid 100 in shipping too to get it express. Like he never, nothing. Where's this guy at? I should follow up. Where's this guy at? Did he block me? Imagine. He's not on here anymore. Ungrateful? I don't know, mate. I don't know. Damn. He probably hasn't slept in a month and is still hanging on it. I'm tripping out right now. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I told him you won. He said, "LOL, never won anything in my life." Well, like maybe once. But thanks so much. I'm in Toronto, but I have a US shipping address in New York. He said, "Oh my God, I can't stop shaking." And then I shipped it, and he put thanks, Ralph. Sorry for the late response, and I put no problem, enjoy. And that's it. April 5, 5:10 p.m. was the last. April 5. And after that, never, nothing. He never said, "Hey, I got it. Thank you so much. I've enjoyed it." Nothing. It's not an. I'll show you. It's a real account. Watch. Uh, oh, he still follows me. He won it. He tweeted 2 days ago. Maybe he tweeted, "Hey, I got a PS5 now." Let's see. See, this was when he won. Big thanks to Ralph for this great blessing. This guy deserves to be followed on YouTube channel. All the people, congrats on the congrats on the PS5 rigged. Oh man, it's actually a person. No, it's not a bot. Hey, that PS5 could have been filled up with bricks. I got it off my boy, and I never opened it to check if there was a PS5 because I trust my boys, you know. Oh man, you guys are funny. So we're stabilizing here on AMC, guys. Kind of quiet here. The crazy rallies kind of stopped for now, but that's not to say that's the top. Flavored mints. I'm a good guy at heart. I'm such a good guy, man. Like I do good, because if you do good, you get good. Good karma goes around, man. But I always have like I always used to get fucked over, like just being ungrateful, people being ungrateful and whatnot. But at the end of the day, I'm still gonna do good no matter what. No matter how much good I do, and how much hate I get, like, I'll still be a good person at all. Like at the end of the day, till I die. That's it. But once you screw me over and you start talking crap, I've just learned to not forgive. Just to be like, screw you, don't come back. That's it. Like, I'll be nice until you cross me and do me dirty, and then you're not gonna step over me. That's it. You're done. That's how it is. So, damn, this was the dip here. 2180. Even if we buy the dip, we can still hold it for quite some time. Have you short Tesla, Rob would hate you? No, you could. Robert trolls me. He tells me I have fucking 35,000 invested in Tesla, and I'm over here worrying. And Rob's like, "Oh, Tesla's gonna go down to $67." It's like I respect any opinion, you know. Like, I could be long on a stock, and you tell me, "Hey, this is gonna go tank." I'm not gonna go out there and call you a shill. I'm not gonna hate on you. I'm gonna want to hear your bear side. That's what people nowadays they can't freaking get in their heads. It's an echo chamber everywhere. Bitcoin, Tesla, these meme stocks everywhere. It's sad. It's sad. The last thing you want to do when you're an investor is just look at what you want to hear. That's the worst way. I think it might be the most viewed video on this channel. Oh, which one? The AMC? No, the reason I actually kind of quote unquote like gained traction and kind of blew up was here's what people forget. When AMC fell, that was the video that blew up. I got like 100K views. When it pulled back here to 6, I saw this support here and I saw potential cup and handle recovery. I was right like 4 or 5 times here on these price targets to AMC. I said AMC was going to this price target, it hit. It was going here, it hit. It was going here, it hit. The last time I was wrong was when I said AMC was going to $18. This right here. When we were at 14.50, when we saw those walls coming in, I said AMC was going to 18 and it never did. It never broke out because that was the day when we saw it barcoding. That was the day I was wrong. And here too, when when I sold at 10 and it pulled back to 8 and started dangling there, and Adam Aaron pulled the 500 mil away, and it's just crazy. People forget, like, oh, you know, they just remember what they want to remember. When people do you dirty, I heard you run to your room and blast that song, "Quiet Playing Games with My Heart," and proceed to stand face down on my little pony pillow. I'm lucky I have thick skin. I believe I do have some thick skin. Like I'll take on all the heat. I think it just makes me stronger. Did you buy the dip on AMC? As of now, here, no. Yesterday on my Weibo account, I bought like a 1970 or something like that. I remember Ralph, you stopped following AMC and started talking about Tesla. Man, I've been talking about Tesla for months. If you go back on this channel and go back to December videos, January, it's all Tesla. It's all Tesla, man. It just happened to so be that the meme stocks came around. But Tesla is always my little go-to on the J trades, in which it's at 622. There's AMC coming back for a new high. That's when Robinhood restricted GameStop. It was back in January. It was twice. Twice. That one was when GameStop was at 350 again, second time around. And it got halted. Should have bought those 250 shares. Yeah, I hate how it goes back to 25. Look at that. See, this is how I mess up on the orders. It starts putting in random numbers in here. Now I'm waiting for a dip. I miss when you would come wear the spacesuit. I miss those days too, man. We had an amazing community here. I'm not gonna lie. We had an amazing community. I loved it. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I can't control that, and I'm not gonna. We'll just let it be it. Bring back the spacesuit. I lost 4 pounds in the spacesuit yesterday. I was freaking sweating yesterday. It was hot. I hope you made some money. Bro, I bought AMC at 250. I was in this before a lot of people were. I saw AMC as a potential. No, I did not buy because I think it was going to 20. I did not buy because I think this was going to get squeezed like heck. I did not buy because I think it was going to become the monster it is. I just got in because I love the movies. I thought the price was less than the popcorn there, which was kind of weird. That was my thesis, man. That was my thesis. Mm-mm-mm. What's the volume on AMC? 194. That's insane. I remember you being the one who put me on AMC. Yeah, you see, people forget though. I appreciate you not forgetting. I put a lot of my close friends. My one of my closest friends is holding 300 shares of AMC around $2. He's still holding. He's probably tripping seeing that at 23. How much is that? You're talking like 22, say? He's up like 6.6K. But that's because he held. Yeah, that was a fake Ralph around asking for Bitcoin. You guys remember that guy? Oh, so annoying. These fake accounts never left. I banned all of them and they kept on coming back. Paper hander, and I'm proud to be a paper hand. Why? Because I'll make money and I'll never go broke taking profits. You never go broke taking profits. If you're in the stock market to hold till you die, I don't know what the hell you're doing here, man. Do you share information like that on your channel? Everything's on here. I don't understand what people don't get from that. Everything's on this channel. I was making videos about stocks before AMC and GameStop. I love the markets. I love them. I love trading. I love seeing stocks drop. I love seeing stocks rally. I was making $0 on YouTube. And I love making the videos. I love making content. That's it. Like I'm not here for the money, the YouTube money, for the views. I'm here to share information, regardless if it's negative, it's positive. You don't like it, if you call me a shill. I'll still be here. Like there's people out there telling me to kill myself. There's people out there telling me, "Oh, quit YouTube. You're done." It's like why? Why am I gonna do with somebody whose name is AMC 4000 that has no profile picture? What am I gonna do what he has to say? What they have to say? Imagine basing your dreams off of what somebody else is saying. Crazy. Fake Ralph out here saying he was a Nigerian prince. I don't. There's another one. There's a lot of these fake scammers, and don't fall for it because I've seen people on this channel fall for the scammers. I've seen people reply to the scammers. All you had to do was hold question mark. Fuck no. You're tripping if you think I'm gonna hold through the when that 500 mil came out dilution. You're crazy, man. You're crazy. You're crazy. Penny stocks do that BS dilution. And if that comes back next Thursday, it is what it is. There's a new high. 23.43. Started bashing people. When was this? Calling them back holders. That's exactly what somebody is who has a stock at a higher price. It's a back holder. You're holding a back. You're hoping the asset reverses and you're able to lock in profits or break even. But I don't know where the bashing comes in from. GameStop. Oh, I forgot about GameStop. So I guess we're not seeing a dip. This is going to continue. This is riding EMA in the 5. That's crazy. I need to hit the dispensary. These dispensaries out here, man. You could pay in Dogecoin. Is that nuts? That's crazy. There was no dilution. Ah, Charlie. Charlie. Everything in hindsight is easy. How am I supposed to know? Oh, you know what? Maybe Adam Aaron might pull it off. How am I supposed to know? I'm basing my trades off of information that is fed to me at the moment. That's all it is. And that's gonna save my ass one day. That it will save my ass. It might not have an AMC. By the way, I'm still green on AMC. I did not lose money. That is gonna save my ass in the future. It might have not worked out for AMC. Yes, in hindsight, holding dilution, he pulls it, whatnot. It went up to 23. Okay. It didn't save me here. That principle, that discipline in the future, I'm gonna thank myself. I'm disciplined because it's gonna save my ass. What if the stock never comes back? What if that dilution would have gone through? You got cut in half. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Nobody wanted those shares, extra shares. This is stupid. After getting diluted in January, are you kidding me? And I came out admitting I was wrong already. Yes, I was wrong. How am I supposed to know he's gonna pull out the five? I don't know. I'm not a genie. If I had a magic ball, I would be a billionaire. I'd be telling everybody, hey, this is gonna rally, this is gonna go up, go all in. I was wrong. Like the guy who bought pizza with Bitcoin. Ugh, that's a bad feeling too. But it is what it is, man. Let's see, what is GameStop doing? 250, not a meme. 244. It's hanging in there, hanging in there. 2350. Come on. Ralph, watch Lou versus Wall Street. He has good info. You guys keep bringing that up. Let's see. Let's see. Low. Oh, yeah, I think we might have a drop here. Do you guys think we... Oh, there it is, 250. Hopefully it's not 25. Do you guys think we get clapped if we dip by this? It's just pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. Usually I want to go for under EMA. EMA is a 22.26. Let's move this here. You guys see that lag on this? There's kind of a lag here. My friend had 1,000 Bitcoins in 2014. He used it to buy LSD from Canada. He's drug free now. Ooh. Oh man. What's Lou? You guys are intriguing me. Lou versus Wall Street. What does he say? What's going on, Lawrence? Welcome back. Life after AMC. Proof of the incoming squeeze. Wait, here we go. We're dipping. I came in here to see what a paper hand looks like. Well, you're watching him now. And you're about to watch me day trade AMC, so you can't take the heat. Get out of here. Nighttime story, the war begins, synthetic shares buyback. Ducks in the hood. It sees what's going on. Pepperhand. I'll never take anybody serious without a profile picture. Just don't call yourself a diamond hand or an ape. What does an ape even mean? If an ape means hold to and you'll never sell, I'm not an ape. I'm gonna tell you that for sure right now. If ape means I'm never selling, I'm not an ape then. I mean the trolls. You got Nathan guarding them. You know what I mean. Yo, crap. The haters just get the banhammer. Rob just swings it aggressively. He got some. We're waiting for like a pretty substantial drop here. We're not really seeing that. It's a patience game with day trading. Anyone using the Tesla WP acquisition? Yeah, right. That's never gonna happen. You ain't got no haters. You ain't doing something right, my dad. You know what they say. If you don't have haters, you ain't popping. If you don't day trade, I'm gonna unsubscribe. You guys want me to day trade them? I'm gonna be waiting until July. We'll see about that. All right, here it comes. Bought the dip. Let's see if it drops aggressively or we see another rebound here. 250 shares on the dip at 22.92. I would usually just scalp like pennies. Let's see. Ah, this might be the pullback. Don't give me red, AMC. All right, go for the E mate here at 22.32. Let's see, is this bounce gonna be more aggressive than I thought it would? Came by the thumbs down. It's more than just money. It's about the fair market. Silly sellers. Have patience. I'll respect loss for people scalping AMC. There are other tickers to scalp clowns. The volume is amazing. There's a lot of people out there day trading AMC. I'm the only one who has the balls to come out here and publicly do it. I have 30 shares of AMC in a YOLO account that I'm gonna hold. I could do whatever I want. Imagine being mad about what somebody else is doing with their finance. Oh my gosh. You shouldn't be in the markets. If you're not here to make money, get out of here. I don't know what you're doing. I do not know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. I seriously don't. I'm concerned. I'm concerned. I really am. Like, I'll never find the answer to that. I don't not know. Imagine Warren Buffett took notice when someone gives him shit for his trades. Yeah, just focus on you, man. Ignore the noise. Do you. You do you. You feel me? You feel me? I day traded on another account. I made 477 just this morning. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. We're here to freaking make money. Not here to marry no fucking stock. Fuck no. You're tripping. You got me twisted. All these haters can cry me a freaking river. If GameStop proposed, I would 100% say yes. Oh man. Not here to be married to Not here to be married to a stock. That's what it is, man. All of these people are freaking falling in love with Adam Aaron. I'm telling you, Adam Aaron turned a lot of people that were in for a squeeze to freaking lifetime shareholders of AMC. To each their own. If they believe in it, go for it. But I think I just saw something like that happened. This dude acted like you were taking money out of his pocket. These people swear 250 shares kills a freaking squeeze, or it messes up everything. 250 shares? Are you kidding me? I'll pull up the TNS. Somebody just sold 3,400 shares of AMC, 2,500 shares of AMC, 1,500 shares of AMC. Tripping. Adam Aaron cares about Adam Aaron, period. Adam Aaron, I give him the benefit of the doubt still because I'm a nice guy, but he's already I'm watching my back, man. Ever since, okay, first, if you I don't think you guys realize, Adam Aaron, he never gave credit to the apes, the holders that freaking saved AMC from bankruptcy. He never did. He said we saved AMC. It took him a while for him to say, okay, Reddit saved us. It took him a while. And now he's on Twitter engaging, donating to the Gorilla Fund. He's playing us a little bit. I understand he's tapping into culture. He's being a little bit more understanding of the shareholders, what we want. All right, I'm all for it. Let's give you the benefit of the doubt. Yesterday, some piece came out that he was on the board of directors for a SPAC by Citadel. Yes, you can say whatever you want, but legal filings, I'll do what you say. I don't care what you say. If it's legally put, if your name is put there and it is, that just proves my point. Just be careful. Does this affect the stock? No. It's just one individual. It's just a CEO. Unless he does something stupid like short AMC, which I don't know, it's just bizarre, then it is what it is. It'll come out. Ralph, what other CEO engages with his retail investors? Not a lot. And that's what I'm saying. I'm happy that he's doing that. I'm very happy that he is. I'm happy that he is. Oh, I missed the dip by a split second. I'm happy that he is. That's what I'm saying. I'm still giving him a chance, but it's not like I'm over here gonna go freaking. I don't want to say this sounds. I'm gonna say it, but I'm not gonna be out here. Oh, Adam Aaron, Adam Aaron. And that's how it was at the beginning. I'm not gonna lie. That's how it was because I kept giving him the doubt. He came with the 500 mil. I'm like, okay, let's give him a chance. He came on CNBC. He wants it. All right, let's give him another chance. He came on Fox. He interrupted Liz Claman towards the end of the video, towards the end of the interview, before they were going to go to commercials to pitch it. That's when he convinced me that he wants it and he's for it. I'm like, okay, that's going to be that. That's how it's going to be. It's going to be like that. That's how it is. I'm playing with information. Even though I'm a nice guy and I give a lot of chances, money's on the line, and you still come on me like that? Fuck no, tripping. Trey went all in, only knew because of his son watching Trey's trades. Yeah, Trey's Trey and I'm Ralph. You know, it's like we're not the same. He's gonna do what he does, and I'm gonna do what I do. I'm in my own lane. He's in his own lane. That's all it is. I respect him a lot. I respect the hustle. I respect the dedication. But like, why am I gonna be like, oh, he went all in? I'm gonna go all in. Whoa, so what? The worst he could have done was diluted with 500 mil shares, but he didn't because his son knew of Trey's trades. Is that what it was? His son? Adam Aaron's son? I think he's more on our side than the hedgies that try to bankrupt them. I don't know, man. The legal filing that came out with the SPAC yesterday, he's tied with Citadel. He's on there. I could pull up the docs. He's on there. That, again, let's not jump to conclusions. It's filed, but let's see what he has to say. Maybe Adam Aaron comes out and says, this is nothing crazy, you know, it's this and this and this. Okay, cool. But let's wait. Let's wait. I'm still giving him a chance. Hi, Ralph. I just tuned in with Adam Aaron Do. Would you please let me know? Go to Citadel's filings with the SPACs, and yes, I understand there's a F ton of SPACs out there. SPAC mania, SPAC craze. He's on the board of directors for a SPAC by Citadel. It's called Centur something, Centricon, something like that. And people are saying, "Oh, it's not Adam Aaron," and it is. I checked the filings. It is him. It's him. But let's give him a chance. We need to follow the charts, sentiment, and facts, and decide when to be bullish and when to exit. Thank you. Thank you. That's a mature answer, and that's a good strategy. Watch the Lua video. He just uploaded a new one. This guy's on fire. He's pumping videos out. Let's see. 7 minutes ago, the danger and the squeeze. All right, let's watch it. The danger and the squeeze. 7 minutes ago. Let's see what he says.
My little sexy transmiffidites.
What?
All right, this is a basically an alert. Getting ready, you fucking people. Listen, you're on a runaway train, and you're never coming back. But remember, the devil, not El Diablo, the devil, not him. The devil bought a lot of AMC shares. Just remember that. So if
I'm pretty sure you mean Citadel, right? Because they bought a lot. All right, let's continue.
you think he's not gonna do a one last Hail Mary play and fucking dump everything before fucking the apocalypse come? Remember something. The numbers are on your side. There's no way, it's mathematically impossible. They can't. This is in plain sight now. So if you see a drop, oh my god, no, I fucking told you already. It's enough. Stop being a half a momo. Okay? And you sundown motherfuckers. I told you motherfuckers are gonna start climbing. It's gonna continue. You guys were fucked up and leveraged. Somebody was stepping on your marijuana plant.
Yeah, Wanda's out. They only have, I believe, 10K shares according to the last filing. Wanda, Silver Lake, Centricus. Yes, that's the name. Centricus Accusation Corp. The ticker is C something. Centr. CENH. This is the one. This is the one. Good old Centricus. Tesla. Oh boy. Are they holding a new meeting in which we vote for dilution? It's next week, man. The proxy comes out next Thursday, June 3rd. June 3rd is when that comes out. I'm telling you again, if there's the potential chance of that dilution to revisit the proxy, it's possible. Is it going to come in at 500 mil? Probably not. Why? Because I think Adam Marin obviously knows now that the the apes are going to go crazy if that comes back. Maybe 100 mil, maybe less with a structured plan. Pay off some of that debt, then that's a little bit more appealing than just dumping 500 like this with no reason. So let's just wait. Let's just wait and see. I thought they were throwing that vote out. Legally, yes, they filed it, yes, but all it takes is an 8K for it to come back. All they got to do is file it again and it's back. It can come back. Guys, AMC has a lot of fucking debt. That's why I favor Gamestop more fundamentally than AMC. And I favor the business model a bit more, even though I love the movies and I'm not a big gamer. As for technicals and volume, AMC is the winner. AMC is where that attention, the majority of attention is at. First and foremost, why? Because it's cheaper. People are able to go all in and it's afford more shares. Oh yeah, where's the GameStop chart? I kind of got caught up here with AMC. I hate how it does this. It brings it back to this. I have to put my studies. My studies, go here, go to appearance, fill up, preset color, this color, okay, apply. There we go. Bro, you would have been an awesome YouTuber if you didn't sell shit on AMC back in the day. I don't care. I'm not in here to be a freaking YouTuber. I was on here making stock videos when I was getting 10 views. I don't care. I'm not gonna do what you say just to please you. I'm gonna do me, man. AMC seems like they have a solid plan for the years ahead. First, they got to pay off some of that debt. I think that would be a brilliant move if they do. I promise you too, put yourself in the shoes of Adam Aaron. He's licking his lips for dilution at this price. Are you kidding me? If you don't think that, you're tripping. 23 a share for AMC. You best believe Adam Aaron is like, fuck. This is a crazy price. I promise you that. I promise you. I promise you. Ralph, just send me money in your account. Yeah, I'll trade for you properly. Yeah, I forgot these guys own the channel, right? I forgot it's their channel. Let me just wire you freaking 100 grand. You trade for me. Go all in on Sundial. Never mind. I had my Sundial days. See, all right, okay. You guys think diamond handing always is gonna work? I promise you. Okay. I bought Sundial. I was trading at 60 cents. Hence, all these trend lines that were created on January 11. This one was created. Come on. All right, it's not telling me. I was trading Sundial when it was at 80 cents. My price target for Sundial was $1.50 to $2. Biden was coming into office. Legalization everywhere. Sundial, Tilray, Ethereum, OCGN, ACB. They're going to do really well. Hexo. They're going to do well. Boom. They go on Wall Street bets. When my price targets for Sundial is $1.50, and I wake up and Sundial was at $4, I'm out, baby. I'm out. I sold right before it got halted. I sold at 4 something. And look where it's at now. 60 cents. I would have been a back holder. I would have been broken even, by the way. I would have been barely losing money here. That's if I didn't take profits. I promise you, that discipline is going to save my ass in the future as it has in the past. AMC, it might have not worked out, but it might not work out for other stocks. Keep that in mind. You have no business streaming back AMC. Oh, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I forgot this was your channel, man. I'm sorry. I feel bad now. I feel bad. I forgot they're here to tell me what to do, man. I'm sorry, man. It is what it is. I feel like I bought the... Oh, no, I thought I bought the wrong thing. I thought I bought Sundial for a split second. I was like, whoa. All right, we're in with 500 shares of AMC. I got the wrong timing. Let's close Sundial really quick. Please don't dip under 5 aggressively. You always have a price target, exit price. Usually it's a lot of it is mentally. Like if I say I'm going to buy here and I'm going to sell here, I usually try to stick with it really quick. And it's still dropping. Look at that. And William, if I wire you 100 grand, you're gonna pull it all in Doge, man. You'll pull it all in Doge. If you're not here to be on YouTube, why do you get here on the stream? I'm not here to. I should have reworded that. Please, people. If that makes any sense. I was already on here making content before. The last thing I want is like, oh, you should be an AMC, and then we'll watch you. No, fuck no. Absolutely not. So we have at 2246. Let's see. Bounce, baby, bounce. We're just waiting for that bounce. Is that strength volume coming in? What time is it? 8:32. Then we've been on for 2 hours. We actually went an hour after our initial time. Power hour? I don't know yet. William's gonna go all in on Doge, man. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Oh, funny. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. Oh yeah, we'll see what happens with AMC. If this cracks 2150s, I'll probably just sell it, take the L. I do have a feeling that volume might come back unless it's something crazy and you see a steeper drop. But it's an L I'm willing to take. I'm just waiting for it to bounce to like 2270s, maybe even 23 again. If that dip buying persists here. So let's wait. We should all link up at Arby's in Vegas. You guys aren't down. All right, man. All right, guys. So that's the plan here for AMC. So we'll see what happens. With that being said, I will see you guys. Either there's maybe a power hour stream. I need to still follow up on some calls that I got from Texas. Probably Robert trolling me again. But we'll see what happens. Only 7 hours away from Vegas. I'm like 4 hours, I think, 3 to 4 hours. Let's see. Is it gonna drop again? Drop, baby. I'll buy you again, AMC. I'll buy 250 shares again. Don't make me do it. Oh, I bought again. Oh, I didn't get filled. Oh, you saw how fast that bounced? I cannot make it up. You guys must have seen how fast that happened. Oh, damn, that was quick. I did not get filled. That's how you know there's a lot of day traders when things like that happen. Rob's like, you can't prove it. All right, guys. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I already told you what's gonna happen if it drops on that. Just follow up on the Discord. I'll be on the Discord. I'll chat it up on the Discord. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, let's go on for 1 more minute. Let's see if this drops again. Drop. You saw how fast that bounced, though? I was off by a split second. That's insane. Discord sucks. You guys hate Discord? All right, here comes another drop. Give me 250. All right, wait, time it. Time it in 3, 2. We're going for the double here. Well, 2178, 2178. Let's see. Here we crack. Let me see the level 2, 2179. Finding support. I can't tell you that the profits, how much you're gonna, how much you should skim or whatnot. That's all you. Everyone has different shares, risk tolerance, whatnot. All right, guys. So here we are with 200 shares of AMC at 22.46. We'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow or maybe Power Hour. So if this pops to 23, I'll probably be out. If it drops under 21.50, I'll probably add more. This is just me playing that there's a bounce. Skimmed and buy all Doge. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. Percentage, I can't tell you. That's all you guys. If you guys did enjoy this, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you are new. Buy my shares then. Go for it. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow or later. Peace out.